Hello, my name is Stephanie Dietrich. I come from Norway, the Lutheran Church of Norway, and I'm here because I'm the moderator of the Faith and Order Commission under the World Council of Churches. And here we are following up the World Conference, which was arranged in October last year in Egypt, the 6th World Conference on Faith and Order under the theme Where Now for Visible Unity. And we are very glad and thankful that St. Paul's took the opportunity and is following up our World Conference by arranging this African conference on decolonizing Nicaea and building bridges between the historical event of the Nicene Council in 325 and today's world and theology and the faith of the church in the world. So this conference is really a unique opportunity and a possibility to be in conversation and in exchange with theologians from different parts of Africa, especially also from different denominations here in Kenya, on what does Nicaea and the Nicene Creed mean for us today. Maybe it doesn't need anything at all. Maybe it's all about the Emperor Constantine, who made the Christian church a state church, but it is about much more. And this conference really gives us the possibility to thoroughly discuss on decolonizing the Nicene Creed and the processes following in the Nicene Council 1,700 years ago. Because we are all shaped by Nicaea, but we also need to continue to interpret together what it means to pray with the Nicene Creed, for instance. This conference and St. Paul's University is really a unique space for this encounter, and my wishes and dreams for this conference and for the outcome of this conference is that more and more people engage both in the work of faith and order, but also in interpreting Christian faith and Christian doctrine together ecumenically, multilaterally, in order to search for unity and just peace, in order for the churches to serve together in witness and service. And in order to do so, we need to discuss theology and find ways how we can find together in our faith and witness to the world. In a world which is broken, which really needs us as human beings and as Christians standing together for justice, for unity and for reconciliation. So I'm sure that this conference is a small step, a huge contribution actually to the further discourse on decolonizing the Nicene Creed and also discussing what it means for us as churches, as Christians and as theologians today. And I'm impressed by the way St. Paul's University is hosting such an open conversation, which does not take place everywhere, but it really takes place here. So from behalf of the Faith and Order Commission, we are very thankful for the opportunity you offer to us to be listeners and participants in the dialogue here at St. Paul's at this conference.